If you're in sales, recruiting, or business development, finding the right contact at the right company is everything. That's where RocketReach comes in. It's a powerful lead intelligence platform designed to help you connect with professionals by giving you direct access to verified emails and phone numbers across millions of profiles. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about RocketReach, its features, strengths, weak spots, pricing, and more. So, without further delay, let's get started. First off, let's talk about what RocketReach actually is. At its core, RocketReach is a contact lookup and lead enrichment tool. If you're looking to pitch a product, hire top talent, or reach decision makers, RocketReach gives you access to emails, phone numbers, and even social links from over 700 million professionals. It integrates easily with platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, and LinkedIn, helping you go from prospecting to outreach faster than ever. Now let's look at features. RocketReach allows you to search contacts using filters like job title, location, company size, and industry. You can also perform domain lookups to pull contacts from specific organizations. One of the biggest highlights is the Chrome extension. It works directly inside LinkedIn, letting you reveal verified contact details without leaving the platform. On top of that, RocketReach includes bulk lookup options and API access for teams who want to automate their workflow. Next, let's talk about what it gets right. One of RocketReach's biggest strengths is accuracy. It gives you real-time email verification so your emails won't bounce or damage your sender reputation. The platform is also really easy to use. It has a clean layout and everything feels simple to navigate. However, it's not perfect. One downside is that RocketReach isn't always accurate with phone numbers, especially for international contacts. It's helpful for finding contact and company information, but you won't get deeper details like technographic data or intent signals without connecting it to other platforms. And the credit limits can feel a bit tight if you're reaching out to a lot of people. You might find yourself upgrading to a higher plan sooner than you'd like. Now, let's talk about pricing. RocketReach has three main plans to choose from. The Essentials plan is perfect if you only need email lookups. It gives you 70 lookups per user and costs $70 per month. Next, the Pro plan is a good choice if you want both email and phone lookups. This plan includes 200 lookups per user and costs $140 per month. Finally, the Ultimate plan is ideal for heavy users. It offers 500 lookups per user and is priced at $300 per month. So overall, RocketReach is a solid platform if your focus is on finding accurate contact data fast. It's simple, effective, and gets the job done for most outreach needs. While it may not have the bells and whistles of bigger platforms, it's great value for anyone who needs verified data without the complexity. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.